Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and today we're going to be talking about HTML classes. Okay, HTML classes. So, what are HTML classes? So, HTML classes, for me, for you to understand, is just a way for you to recognize your elements, or the elements you want to work on in your CSS. Okay, it's just a way of you calling a particular element, okay, that you want to work on. Let me put that for simple understanding. Okay, let's go through an example. Okay, so take for example, we have a div here. Okay, and inside this div we have I am a boy. Okay, now we have another div here. Okay, so inside this div we have I am a girl. Okay, and we decide to save this. Okay, by the time we come to our page, we see that we have I am a boy and I am a girl. Okay, good. Now we want to style I am a boy. Okay, if we decide to come to our head here, okay, and say, and we open our style, our internal styling. Okay, our internal styling. Okay, and we decide to say div, then we open our curly bracket and say color is green. Okay, and we'll say color is green, and then we save it. By the time we come to our browser here, both I am a boy and I am a girl are both green. Okay, so where the class comes in is for us to separate them. Okay, we want to name them so that we can what, design them separately, so that we can style them separately. Okay, take for example, now we now come under this I am a boy. Okay, then we say div class. Okay, div class is boy. Okay, div class is boy. Okay, good. So if we now come to our styling here and we now say dot boy. Now while we are saying dot, remember I mentioned it in our previous video on creating a navbar that when you are using class, you have to use what? A dot, okay, before your class name. Then when you are using ID, div ID, you have to use hash. Okay, we'll get to ID with time, but today we are talking about class. Okay, so because we are using class and we have named our class boy, so when we want to call it in our styling, we will say dot boy. Okay, but we have used dot boy and I said dot boy color is green. Now if we save this and we come to our browser, you see that only boy changed because we have named I am a boy, class, boy. We have named the class boy. So when we call on boy inside our style, it will only work on the one that we have given the what,